Hi humans! Today I got my hands on a tiny Tesla coil kit. So let's see what it can do. This kit comes with no instructions, but it looks pretty simple. The PCB has all the necessary markings and pre-drilled holes, making assembly straightforward. A few things to keep in mind. Inside the coil, there's a spot for an LED. And here polarity matters. The longer leg is the anode, positive, and the shorter leg is the cathode, negative. Resistor and non-polarized ceramic capacitor can be placed in any order. The BD243C transistor, which is an NPN power transistor, must be installed correctly, but its heatsink helps indicate the only possible proper orientation. Now let's grab my favorite tool, my small but mighty soldering iron, and get started. A little bit of theory. A Tesla coil generates high voltage, high frequency electrical discharges or sparks, and it should look pretty cool in action. Interestingly, Tesla coils and wireless chargers operate on similar principles. Both use electromagnetic induction and resonant coupling. However, they differ in frequency, voltage, and current. The assembly is nearly complete. Just a few things left. There are some extra parts, but we don't need those. Safety disclaimer. Tesla coils generate high voltage electricity, which can cause burns or interfere with electronics. Even small coils can be dangerous if handled improperly. Do not touch the arcs directly, keep sensitive devices away. I'm going to secure the coil with hot glue. And now it is time to check performance by applying power with a 12-volt 3-amp power supply. Press the button, and the LED lights up. Looks good. And just look at the Tesla coil's output. There's an arc at the end. Since the coil is small and only 12 volts, I'll take a tiny metal piece and interact with the coil's output. Nice. Let's also try wirelessly lighting up a small bulb with the Tesla coil. Really cool and totally worth the $4 price for this kit. But keep in mind, with 12 volts, the transistor heats up, so be aware of that. More DIY projects are on the way. Subscribe!